humility, knowledge shines to humility, and culture shapes to humanity. And culture shapes to humanity.
A very good morning to everyone. On behalf of Twinkling Star Pre-Primary and the Scholars English School, we welcome you all to our annual day celebration for the academic year 2025-26.
We feel honored to welcome the head of the Scholars Group of School, our beloved principal, Madam Vishaka Sutar. Our esteemed trustee members, Mr. and Mrs. Pratik Sutar, Mr. and Mrs. Pranit Sutar, and Sheetal Madam, Dr. Pallavi Patil, Principal of Junior College, Madam Kiran Agarwal, Director of ILTG, Madam Merchant, Head of English Department, Supervisors of all the sections, teachers, and dear parents. Your presence makes this morning truly special.
To begin this auspicious morning on a divine note, let us invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, wisdom, and art.
We now request our dignitaries to kindly come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Ma'am, please. Every annual day brings with it a special thought and a meaningful story. This year, the Scholars English School proudly presents its theme, Sanskruticha Varsa, the heritage of culture. This theme celebrates the richness of the Marathi culture, its festivals, traditions, and changing seasons, woven beautifully through the 12 Marathi months.
From Chaita's new beginnings with Gudi Padwa to Falgun's joyful Holi, each month reflects the rhythm and colors of life in Maharashtra.
And to begin this wonderful journey through the Marathi months, our talented students are here to welcome you all with a beautiful song that captures the rhythm of 12 months of Maharashtra.
This is the month of Gudi Padwa, signaling the Marathi New Year, symbolizing victory and prosperity. A time when every heart says, Nava Utsav, Nava Sankalpa. It's a time for celebration and heroic tales.
Standard 5 captures this powerful start with a dazzling cultural spectacle, a trio of energetic dances showcasing the spirit of spring, followed by a dramatic Ramayana skit.
Namaste. Today we welcome the first month of the Hindu calendar, Chaitra. This month is special, full of festivals, harvest and new beginnings. I am Chaitra, the month of freshness, blossoms and new hopes. People celebrate my arrival with joy across India. वसंत ऋतू हा ऋतूंचा राजा मानला जातो, कारण या काळात निसर्गात नवचैतन्य आणि उत्साह येतो. Being the harvest season, my fields are golden. Chaitra month reminds everyone that hard work always brings sweet rewards. Let's celebrate this festive spirit with a special Gudi Padwa dance filled with colors, music and joy.
आई तुझ देऊला the time of joy, devotion and celebration. The Jatra brings everyone together. Jatra is not only for devotion but also for culture and bonding. In olden days, it was only time when we bought toys, sweets and meet relatives. Every Jatra is alive with art, dance, music, drama and stories passed from generation to generation. Chaitra Jatra is not just a festival, it is the heartbeat of our village. It teaches us devotion, unity, sharing and pride in our culture.
भूल साजतई गुल्लाले डोंगरा पालखीला नाचिन गुलाल उरवू सैताचे महिन्या देऊल साजतई गुल्लाले डोंगरान ग गुल्लाले डोंगरान पालखीला नाचिन गुलाल उरवून चैताचे महिन्यान ग चैताचे महिन्यान ग आई तुझ देऊल साजतई गुल्लाले डोंगरान ग गुल्लाले डोंगरान पालखीला नाचिन गुलाल उरवून चैताचे
King Dashratha, he was brave and kind, but he had no children. Kaushalya, Maharaj, why are you so worried? My queen, I long for a child. I long for a child to bring happiness in Ayodhya. The wise sage advised the king to perform the sacred yajna. O king, perform this yajna and soon you will be blessed with children.
नंदगोपगृहे जाता यशोदा गर्भसंभवा ततस्तौ नाशयिष्यामि विंध्याचल निवासी.
On the 9th day of Chaitra month, Queen Kaushalya gave birth to a divine child, Lord Rama. This is our son, Rama, the light of Ayodhya. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. I am your humble servant Hanuman. I will always protect and serve you. From that day, Ayodhya filled with joy, and every year we celebrate Ram Navami, the birth of Lord Rama, who was always blessed by his greatest devotee Hanuman.
निज मन मुखोर सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु जोदायक पलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार.
ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजन पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर जन मरण विराज सुबेसा कुंडल कुंचित केसा कार्तिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा
weather teaches us every ending is a new beginning. And the final grand celebration of the end of the winter harvest. And in the middle of this warmth comes a golden day, Akshaya Tritiya, a symbol of endless prosperity and good beginnings.
Our little rays of sunshine from Standard 2nd A perfectly embody this season. They will perform a playful, continuous dance interrupted by 3 rapid, humorous 30-second skits. Quick, funny glimpses into family summer vacation.
Festival. It falls in the month of Vaishak. The word Akshay means never ending or internal. Many people buy gold, donate food and worship Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi. Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvadi Sadhike Sharanya Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Kindness and truth, he said, anger brings pain, but peace brings happiness. So we should speak gently and keep our mind calm. Say together, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Farmers are working hard. They plough the land. They add manure. Vaishak is the month of preparation. So today, reap tomorrow.
शोलों करेला हैरान जियरा 2 घड़ी ढूंढे छाँव बसेरा चुभती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया चुभती जलती खमोरियां लाया आया मौसम ठंडे ठंडे डरमी कूल का ठंडे डरमी कूल का
The earth is so dry. Will it will Vaishak? Yes, clouds will come, bringing life to fields and rivers.
चमक चमक देखो
the month of Vaishak, we honor Akshay Triti and Gautam Buddha Jayanti. We feel the summer's warmth, watch farmers waiting for rain, help make pickles and papads, enjoy. Let's carry this spirit into each new day.
That fourth beautifully captures this tension and devotion. A poignant skit depicting the widespread anticipation of rain, followed by a graceful dance by the girls, showcasing the dedication of Vat Purnima.
Peak of summer and considered a highly auspicious period. Devotion, fasting and charity, honoring gods like Vishnu, Shiva, Hanuman and the Ganga Mata. Providing water to birds and animals is an auspicious task. Vat Purnima Vrat is observed during this month. Women fast for the long life of their husband. आज पौर्णिमा सुवासिनीची चला सयानो चला. आज पौर्णिमा सुवासिनीची चला सयानो चला. वट सावित्री सणाला, वट सावित्री सणाला. वट सावित्री सणाला, वट सावित्री सणाला. कशी राजाची लेक सत्यवानाला भुलली, सत्यवानाला भुलली. कशी रान वाऱ्या संग कळी कमळाची फुलली, कळी कमळाची फुलली. सात पाऊली सात जन्माचा देव मिळाला तिला, सात पाऊली सात जन्माचा देव मिळाला तिला. वट सावित्री सणाला, वट सावित्री सणाला. वट सावित्री सणाला, वट सावित्री सणाला. To descendants of river Ganga. Thousands of years ago, when the king of Ayodhya was busy with the preparation of the grand Ashwamedh Yagya. However, the second horse was missing. The horse is missing. How can we perform the yagya? I will bring the horse. In the forest, he found a meditating saint. Behind him was the second horse was grazing. Hey, you stole our horse. How dare you to do so? You interrupted my meditation. I will burn you to ashes. With these cursing words, all the 60,000 sons of King Sagar were burned to ashes. King Sagar sent his grandson Bhagirath to seek forgiveness for his sons. I am pleased with your devotion. Only in the water of holy Ganga your ancestors can get salvation. Bhagirath started pleasing Ma Ganga. Ma Gange. Ma Ganga was pleased with his devotion. I am pleased with your devotion, but my descendants will flood the entire earth. I can only land on the matted locks of Lord Shiva. Bhagirath started pleasing Lord Shiva, who agreed to land Ma Ganga on his matted locks.
जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिव शिव
नमः ॐ अलकनन्दायै नमः ॐ सर्वपापविनाशिन्यै नमः धरणि घोरधरणि सुरदडिनि धनि पधनि दत्ता
Jeshta is traditionally associated with austerity, self-control and rituals like water donation. With the same austerity and devotion of Jeshta, we all students say,
Ashad is truly the month of faith. The monsoon arrives, peacocks dance, farmers smile, and life feels refreshed again. Million starts the Ashadi Wari, the sacred walk to Pandharpur. The journey itself is a beautiful song of devotion.
our tiny dedicated scholars from Standard First will take you on the pilgrim's path. Their delightful dance and skit is a simple heartwarming tribute to community and joy of spiritual journey.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the month of Ashad. It is the month when the monsoon begins. The sky becomes dark, clouds gather, and the earth smiles with rain. Here we come, here we come. We bring cool rain for everyone. We are the big grey clouds. We come floating in the sky with lots of water. People look up and say, "At last it's rainy time." We are tiny raindrops. We fall from the sky to make the trees green, the rivers full, and the children happy. Oh dear cloud, thank you for the rain. Now I can plough my fields and sow the seeds. Rain is life for us farmers. And now the rain has made everyone so happy. The fields are green, the trees are dancing, and the children are full of joy.
the devotees walk to Pandharpur. Gyanoba Mavli Tukaram, Jai Jai Vittal. 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 Gyanoba Mavli Tukaram, Jai Jai Vittal.
गजर करीत मी पंढरी पाहिन विठूचा गजर करीत मी पंढरी पाहिन टाळ चिपळा घेऊनी वारीत जाईन नाम घोषात रंगुनी आनंद घेईन तुझ्या भेटीची ओढ मनी ठेवीन मी पंढरी पाहिन
The sky sings with clouds and rivers dance with joy. Nature feels alive, just like the human heart in prayer. This is the month of devotion, of bhakti and blessings. Every Monday is dedicated to Lord Shiva, with devotees fasting and visiting temple. The air resonates with chants of Har Har Mahadev.
It's also a month of festivals. Nag Panchami, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami and Hartalika, each one celebrating love, faith and the beauty of relationships. The students of Standard 6th will bring the deep devotion and quiet serenity of this special month.
Shravan is the most sacred month in the Hindu calendar. Across villages and towns, Shravan is celebrated with devotion, kirtans and processions. Shravan is known as the holiest month in the Hindu calendar. People fast, enjoy folk songs and dances. Today we will take you on a colorful ride of Shravan's traditions. Shravan is incomplete without devotion to Lord Shiva. Every Monday, temples are filled with the sound of Har Har Mahadev. Many people fast, but did you know there's science behind it? During monsoon, digestion slows. Fasting helps the body to rest and detox. But Shravan is not just about devotion, it is also about celebrations. There are many festivals like Nag Panchami, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Narli Purnima. Each festival has its own beauty. Raksha Bandhan is the bond of love between brothers and sisters. On Raksha Bandhan, I tie Rakhi on my brother's wrist. He promises to protect me. The joyous festival of Janmashtami, celebrating the birth of Krishna. We break the handi, sing, dance and celebrate Krishna's birth. Of Shravan in Maharashtra, the Mangala Gauri celebration. On Tuesdays of Shravan, married women celebrate Mangala Gauri. They gather together, dress beautifully, sing songs, play traditional games and dance in joy.
जय देवी मंगला गौरी तुम्हारी न सोनिया दादी रत्नाचे दिवे मारी का छावाती जय देवी मंगला गौरी संगबाई खेळूया रागवत खेळूया रागवत खेळूया गौराईचा खेळबाई आनंदात नाचू गाऊ
सूप सुपल्या सुपाला घागरी हे सूप पुण्याग बंदरात हे सूप पुण्याग बंदरात हे सूप वरळी बंदरात हे सूप वरळी बंदरात.
Shravan truly brings families and communities together. Just as Mangala Gauri brings blessings to families, another festival of Shravan brings blessings to the seafaring community. This beautiful festival reminds us that though our ways may differ, our traditions still bind us together. Narli Purnima continues to connect us with nature and faith. Let us now move towards the shores of Maharashtra to witness Narli Purnima.
सन तुझा हयो वर्षाचा नसन हाय तुझा गोयो वर्षाचा सन तुझा हयो वर्षाचा निसन हाय नारली पुनवचा सन आयलाय गो नारली पुनवचा मनी आनंद मावना ओल्यांची दुनियेचा
सन आयलाय गो नारली पुनवाचा मनी आनंद मावना खोल्यांचे दुनिये.
सन आयलाय गो नारली पुनवचा मनी आनंद मावना ओल्यांची दुनियेचा.
कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली गचल जाऊ बाजारी.
But the memories we created, the prayers we offered, and the devotion we shared will stay with us forever. With the same purity of Shravan, we all students say thank you.
Period is associated with divine energies and is seen as the time for inner transformation. Ganesh Chaturthi is a highly spiritual month that's celebrated in this month. Now, the students of class Junior KG are going to perform a dance on Devansa Dev.
चला बघूया. उठा उठा आपल्या गणपती बाप्पांना जायचंय का नाही? जायचंय. गणपती बाप्पा मंगलमूर्ती गणपती बाप्पा
किती करू सेवा देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा
देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा
ना वाकऱ्या सोंडीच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा वाकऱ्या सोंडीच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा
वाकऱ्या सोंडीच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा वाकऱ्या सोंडीच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा
ना देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा
देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा
एकवीस मोदकांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा एकवीस मोदकांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा
एकवीस मोदकांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा एकवीस मोदकांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा
ना पाना फुलांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा पाना फुलांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा
पाना फुलांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा पाना फुलांच्या माझ्या गणराया देवा
ना देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा
देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा देवांच्या देवार तुझी किती करू सेवा
अरे चला विसर्जनाची तयारी करूया
मग सार्वजनिक गणेश उत्सवाची सुरुवात झाली.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को दोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या संदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव
धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया
गाणी झाली, व्याख्यानं झाली आणि देशभक्तीची भावना जागली. त्या काली हा सण होता एकतेचा शस्त्र आणि आज आहे तो एकतेचा सण. म्हणून गणपती बाप्पा म्हणजे एक,
फक्त देव नसून तर आपल्या स्वातंत्र्याच्या प्रवासाची जिवंत आठवण आहे. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती मोरया.
Festival. One of the major festival is Bathukamma. Bathukamma is a famous flower festival of Telangana. Women make beautiful flower stacks and sing around song them. They pray for the well-being of their families. It shows love for nature and respect for goddess Gauri. Now, students of senior KG are going to show Bathukamma story and dance in front of you.
आना के खास त्योहार बथुकम्मा की कहानी सुनाने जा रहे हैं। एक गांव में राजा धर्मदत्ता और रानी सत्यवती रहते थे। उनके 100 पुत्र थे। एक दिन युद्ध में राजा ने अपने 100 पुत्रों को खो दिया। दुख से रोती हुई रानी बोली,
स्वामी, काश हमारी एक बेटी होती तो दुख कितना गहरा न लगता।
कन्या की प्राप्ति के लिए तब राजा और रानी ने 1 वर्ष तक देवी माता से प्रार्थना की। कुछ ही दिनों में राजा और रानी को एक कन्या प्राप्त हुई। तब उन्होंने इस कन्या को देवी माता के स्वरूप समान मानकर बथुकम्मा यह नाम रखा। बथुकम्मा यानी कि साक्षात गौरी देवी का स्वरूप कहा जाता है। बथुकम्मा बड़ी होकर सबकी प्रिय बन गई। उसी दिन से सब ने उसे देवी का रूप मानकर सारे लड़कियां बथुकम्मा के चारों ओर घूमते हुए फूल उड़ाकर बथुकम्मा की पूजा करने लगे। उस दिन से लेकर आज तक तेलंगाना में यह त्योहार विभिन्न प्रकार के फूलों से सजाए गए बथुकम्मा से बड़े प्रेम और उत्साह से मनाया जाता है। इस कथा का संदेश है माँ की पूजा, प्रकृति का सम्मान और सबके लिए मंगल कामना। धन्यवाद।
బంగారు బతుకమ్మను ఇంటిలో పేర్చి
ఉషికేలోని గౌరమ్మ శేను గట్ల పువ్వమ్మ ఉషికేలోని గౌరమ్మ సిప్పి మరిసిపోకమ్మ తప్పు మంటు కాంతమ్మ సిప్పి మరిసిపోకమ్మ తప్పు మంటు కాంతమ్మ మాస పొచ్చుల్లో రాగి వంటి మొప్పుల్లో అడుగే పెడితే మాతల్లో పసుపు పచ్చ ఎండల్లో ముంగిట ముగ్గు సుక్కల్లో ఎంగిలి పూల బతుకమ్మలో పూలోని పువ్వమ్మ పాయి కాడి బొడ్డమ్మ పూలోని పువ్వమ్మ పాయి కాడి బొడ్డమ్మ గంగా దాటిపోకమ్మ గంగి కాలి కమలమ్మ పోయి రావే బతుకమ్మ బతుకు తెరు గంగమ్మ పోయి రావే బతుకమ్మ బతుకు తెరు గంగమ్మ నెల్లా కొంగు సాపిందే తొలకా పోను మాయమ్మ నెల్లా కొంగు సాపిందే తొలకా పోను మాయమ్మ.
Consider one of the holiest month for devotees of Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna. Diwali is a festival of light, often celebrates Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana. It was also the time to worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, for good fortune in the new financial year. So, our nursery students are going to perform a dance on song Happy Diwali.
केसर तिलक लगाओ जश्न दिवाली मनाओ जश्न दिवाली मनाओ जब से राम जी पधारे वनवास से खुशियाँ लाए वो भर के अपने आंगने रूठे रिश्तों को फिर से मनाने पधारे अपनों को अपनों से मिलाने सबके दिलों का सबसे प्यारा आया खुशियों वाला त्योहार बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई जश्नों की दिवाली अपनी है दिवाली बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई हो दिवाली की बधाई
मिलाते हर चेहरा वो खिलाते रुत लाए आज खुशियों की ये दिन जहां में हर कहीं भर दे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिल से वो मिलाते हर चेहरा वो खिलाते रुत लाए आज खुशियों की
and spiritual reflections. As the year begins to wind down, it embodies grace and quiet discipline.
The students of class 2nd B will showcase a performance that embodies elegance, focus and devotion. It is a movement that appreciates the chosen for the inner calm.
प्रत्येक महिन्याला आपली खास ओळख आहे, म्हणून आपण घेऊन आलेले आहेत मार्गशीर्ष महिना. बोल रहा, अरे वा सुंदर रे, बोल, अरे वा, हाँ, बोल. अरे वा, किती सुंदर शेत आहे, हिरवगार दिसतंय. हो बालांनो, हा मार्गशीर्ष महिना आहे, पिकं छान वाढतायत. ह्या महिन्यात पिकांना पाणी मिळतं, हवागार असते, म्हणून शेत हिरवगार दिसतं. म्हणून हा महिना आनंद, भक्ती आणि शेतीसाठी खास आहे. चला आपण शेतकऱ्याचे आभार मानूया.